Welcome back to the channel. I didn't finish off the video yesterday of what I managed to trim in preparation for the fence, so today's little walk around includes some more trimming that I did yesterday, and today we've got 4 guys on site putting in the posts for us, digging the holes, making the concrete, etc., which we'll have a look as we walk round. Their rate 300 baht a day, which is about £7 English money. On top of that, obviously we're buying them drinks, energy drinks. Just bought them lunch, so if you put it into monetary terms, maybe £4.50 a day per person, which again, it's not big money. 11 pound 50 a day. Absolutely brilliant guys. Bit of communication issue this morning, but we've got over it with some sketches on some paper and some photos. So let's go and have a walk and see where we are, how far we've progressed. So the little truck has been busy today. Been to Global, got some bags of cement, a couple of fence, wire fencing and some barbed wire. We also had a scoop of sand in the back of the truck this morning. As you can see in the middle here, it was about, I guess, 500-600 kilos worth of sand. Price 400 baht, 10 quid. The bags of cement, we got 4 bags of cement, 110 baht a bag. Weight wise, 20 kilos, something like that, 20-25 kilos. So again, very cheap. The fencing's 1.5 meters high, 50 meters long, and just under 2,000 baht a roll. So 2,000 baht. Again, I haven't got my maths, so I'll put it up. Put it up in on the screen when I upload the video. So starting off today, putting this post here. These 2 posts will be the entrance to get onto the land. A 5 meter gap in between these 2, and then coming all the way down the front of the property. The posts are going in 2.5 meter spaces. It's not to hold any wall or anything, it's just a wire chain link fence, I think you call it. So it doesn't have any weight or any major strength if needed. So the fence will come all the way down here. As you can see, a lot of holes been dug already, 500 deep. Posts are going to be 1.5 meters above ground, and we're going to run 2 lots of barbed wire, one along the middle and one along the top, just as a bit of prevention. Here we have mixing of the cement. And again, as I said yesterday, I've just trimmed all this grass all the way along here. We're going to have to chuck maybe 2 trucks worth of soil in this corner, just so that we can get a straighter line for the concrete post up there to here. It's just missing, I believe, price for a truckload of soil around about 250 baht plus 20 baht for the tractor, so 220, 270. Again, not great money for a whole truck of soil. pretty damn cheap. So walking along this bit, I still need to strim, which I'm going to do after I just show you around this little section which I finished yesterday. So again, beautiful day, beautiful scenery, so peaceful. That's the neighbour's pond, which he had dug once he saw our pond going in back in Christmas time. So again, most of the rice has been picked now by Mon. It's got a little bit more to do over in this section, and I'll be nearly done, ready to tie it all up and then smack it to separate the rice from the straw, whatever you call it. So again, I managed to get this lot trimmed yesterday in preparation. Obviously all the metal fence is going to come up all around here. So, this is a view of our pond. Still needs to be tidied up, but an ample size pond. We just picked up a kilo of fish food a couple of minutes ago, and we're going to chuck it in the pond later to see what fish come up. I think that was 35 baht, about 80 pence, 90 pence for a kilo of fish food, very cheap. Rice on the ground here, drying from what we picked a couple of days ago. And obviously walking up this section in the middle here, I trimmed all this yesterday as well. So got quite a bit done on the old strimming. And like I say, I just got to keep ahead of the game on the strimming so the guys can put the fence posts in and keep ploughing on. I think maybe 3-4 days and we should have all the fencing up. So back round, back up to the car. So that's the update for now. I will add a bit more in a minute to our next bit of progress this afternoon. So the time now is 3:30. It's starting to cool down a bit, but we won't be doing much more today, I don't think. So we've got the posts all the way along the front. We've trimmed some more grass, clearing it because all this fence will be taken down and replaced as well. So we'll do the last walk for today to show you where we're up to today. So as you can see, cleared a bit of this grass and come down to the back of the land where the pond is. Looking out for any snakes in the long grass and anything else that might be lurking. Oh, a bloody dog following me, made me jump. Not our dog, neighbour's dog, nice and friendly, not an ankle biter. So back up at the pond, which is going to be the far end of our garden once the house is put in. I've still to clear all this, trim all this tomorrow, and then all the way round. It's good for exercise. lots of walking, lots of fresh air. We're gonna, once we've cleared all this, as you see, it's a bit brown where I've trimmed, we'll be planting all banana trees and coconut trees and mangoes, etc., all around the outside of the land. And then we'll have a couple of fishing huts there, a little bit of a jetty out to the middle for fishing. This bit of land in the middle here is more likely going to be vegetables of some kind. No idea yet. And then this plot of land here, I would like to think we could build a couple of little Airbnb units, and maybe get a bit of income from rental as well. So this bit I've still to trim in the morning, but we've now cleared all the way up to this post. So another good day. This is ready for the post to be put in all the way down here. But like I say, I've cleared it to make it a little bit easier for them rather than digging in all the weeds. I think the dog's still following me. The dog is still following me. It's coming for a walk. Isn't it? Good boy or girl, I don't know. Not going to have a look either to find out. Hey ho. So down here we've done all this. Cement's in, holes are dug, cement is in. Wait for that to set overnight and maybe another day, and then we'll put the chain link fence up and we're good to go. Well, I say good to go, we're about a third of the way on the fence, I guess. The bit round the pond, the posts are already in, so that'll be quite quick to do. I think we've got another 30, 40, another 50 posts to go in, which should be about a day and a half. And like I say, the chain link is only a case of unrolling and connecting to these little bits of metal and then twisting, and we will put a couple of rows of barbed wire as well, just as a deterrent. Oh, we've done an entrance back here. We're going to call this the lower field to the Airbnb area. We've left a wider gap here, which is 5 meters, and we'll build a gate, buy some metal, and one of the guys will weld it up for us. So there'll be an entrance there, and then up the top here, back up. Don't know if you can see Mon yet, sitting up here in the red top, is where the entrance to the house plot's going to be. And again, it's a 5 meter gap. There's Mon sitting down, taking it easy, chilling. And the guys doing a great job. And just knocked up a bit of shade ready for tomorrow. You know, just Thai style, bit of wood, bit of tarpaulin, bit of string. Job's so good. And these are the rolls of wire mesh, whatever you call it, fencing, chain link. That'll be going up. That's 50 meters each roll, and it's 100 meters each roll on the barbed wire. So that's it. Thanks for watching as always. Please hit the subscribe button if you haven't done so already, and follow our journey. We will be posting quite regular, and you'll get to see the costs, the happy days, the bad days, etc. of living life in Thailand, and the cost to set up a little farm shop and to build our house. Okay, thanks for watching. See you again soon.